Upon checking, there's no malfunction in injector. We do now is adjusting valve clearance because the knocking from the rocker arm. So try to open this 6 and adjust valve clearance. With engine valve clearance, so first turn the flywheel into the top dead center, 0T into this. We're doing 2 turns only of adjusting valve clearance. So this 1 turn top, and next try to adjust the valve clearance, the play. If the clearance is good, 1 turn, the top dead centers become here. First move, open the cover of cylinder head, all 6. So the firing is number size 6, so we tune up this valve number 1, and all the clearances tune up. The clearance is tight, so adjust low again. So the clearances is 0.40 mm, number 16, and then 0.10 or 0.25 mm, and 30 mm for the intakes, 40 mm for the exhaust, and the EBB is 25 mm. So adjust the bulb. So downside number 40, upside number 25, EBB and exhaust clearance. So the intake is number 12, 30 mm.
Kita pagkada ya. Goods.
Sana? Bisa.
Balik.
Nah. Bisa. Good. Nah. Nah. Yang gawas mana? Oke. Nah. Mana? Good. Stop. Nah. Hah? Oke. Sok. Nah. Iyalah. Oh, balik sa katang tip.
Tap.
Betul. Iya na sa dong.
Kaya na.
Utang.
Hindi ko pa.
Ayun. Finish tuning valve clearance. Done, valve clearance tuning. No more knocking noise. Good. Tayo sa Rizal sa bundok ko. Dito tayo sa baba ng Wawa Dam. Ayan. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa baba ng Wawa Dam. May rescue kami dito. Concern ng driver, knocking noise of engine. So, trinay nating i-check yung injector niya. Wala namang malfunction. Okay naman siya. At yung ginawa natin ay sinun up lang natin yung valve clearance niya kasi mahigpit na yung clearances ng valve niya. Ayan. X3000 yan yung service namin. So, okay na guys, tapos na yung gawa natin. So, pwede na tayong umuwi. Hanggang dito na lang yung video natin guys. Thank you, bye bye. Ayan guys, nandito pala mga kasama ko. Ayan, si Master Bortokloy at si Chief Burlasoy. So, ito yung mga bodyguard ko. Yung mga master. Nandito tayo sa baba ng bundok.
Nalipag mo sa bukid.
Master Burlasoy nasa may bukid.
Nalipag mo sa bukid.
Shacman Part Center. So, if you have need parts of Shacman, just call this. That. Bye bye guys.